That fuel additive sitting in your gas tank right now, it might be slowly destroying your fuel injectors, clogging your catalytic converter, and killing your engine. And you don't even realize it. Worse, some of the most popular brands on the shelf are the biggest offenders. Today, I'm exposing 4 fuel additives that actually damage your car, and the ones you should use instead if you don't want a repair bill that costs thousands. Welcome back to Car Care Fix, the channel where we make car problems simple, fixes easy, and maintenance stress-free. Additives to avoid. Number 1, STP Fuel Injector Cleaner. Let's start with a popular one, STP. It's cheap, it's everywhere, and honestly, it's basically weak solvent in a bottle. The problem? It uses outdated detergent chemistry that simply cannot break down modern carbon deposits, especially in direct injection engines. I've tested this stuff before and after on injectors, and the results are almost laughable. Only about 5 to 10% deposit removal, compared to 60 to 70% from high-quality cleaners. That means you'd need 6 to 8 bottles of STP just to match one proper cleaner. Sure, it costs less, but you're paying for something that barely works. Number 2, Fuel Shark Magnetic Devices. Now, this one is straight-up pseudoscience. Products like Fuel Shark claim they align fuel molecules, improve combustion, boost fuel economy. Sounds impressive until you understand basic science. Fuel molecules are not magnetic. They cannot be aligned by a magnet clipped onto your fuel line. I've tested these devices using fuel economy tracking, and guess what? Zero measurable difference. Any change you see is just normal driving variation. These products cost $30 to $60, and they literally do nothing. This isn't just useless, it's a scam. Number 3, Lucas Fuel Treatment. Lucas markets this as an all-in-one solution, but in reality, it's a compromised product that doesn't excel at anything. It's mostly made of heavy petroleum oils, not strong cleaners. What does that mean? It coats components instead of cleaning them. It can reduce effective octane. And in modern engines, it can interfere with precise fuel delivery. In testing, I've even seen slight performance drops due to the heavy carrier fluid. So instead of cleaning your system, it's basically just adding oily residue, not what modern engines need. Number 4, Generic Octane Boosters. These are some of the most misleading products on the shelf. They claim raises octane by 3 to 5 points. Reality? Only about 0.3 to 0.7 increase in real testing. Big difference. Most of these use metallic additives like emimt, which leave deposits on spark plugs, damage oxygen sensors, shorten catalytic converter life, and to actually get the advertised boost, you'd need multiple bottles per tank, making it insanely expensive. Also important, if your engine is knocking, you don't need a bottle, you need a diagnosis. After years of testing, here's the truth. Avoid these completely. STP Fuel Injector Cleaner, Fuel Shark and Magnetic Devices, Lucas Fuel Treatment, Generic Octane Boosters. They either don't work or can actually cause problems. Use these instead. Chevron Techron Regular Maintenance, BG44K Deep Cleaning, Startron Fuel Stability. These products use real, proven chemistry and actually deliver results. And just like that, your problem is fixed. If this video helped you, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to Car Care Fix for more easy car fixes and hidden maintenance secrets. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or want to see another repair video. Thanks for watching, drive safe, and I'll see you in the next one.